Almost crashed into a car. What is up, YouTube? And today I got this crazy yet awesome idea. Today we're going to check out how powerful this lawnmower self-propel is. And well, this lawnmower can pull itself up a hill. I believe me, I know, because I have a lot of hills down there that I have to mow. And sometimes I can't keep up with it. That's how powerful it is. It's keep going, and I have to keep going with it. I guess this is why Tesla and all those other electric cars are really powerful. It's because the electric torque in them is amazing. You can never get such awesome acceleration. And I want to show you just how good this self-propel is, right? It can move itself. But here's the funny part, okay? First, let me just put this on full throttle. And then I'm gonna take a seat on the lawnmower. It can move all on its own. Nope, car. Almost crashed into a car. Well, now it's time to put a bunch of kids on the lawnmower. This is gonna be awesome. Amazing. This is gonna be the best day of our lives. You wanna try? Okay, go ahead. Okay, go. Just pull the. Ready?
Dude, can I try it now?
Let go, let go. You guys want to help me mow the lawn?
Stop!
Stop! Get up! Oh my god. Well, this lawnmower is the most powerful self-propelled thing in the world. I put myself on it. I put a bunch of kids on it. And it kept going. So, well, as you can see, this lawnmower is very powerful. And, very powerful, and it's actually gonna rain, so I gotta go back home. So I guess that concludes our video today. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. It really helps that you watch. Like this video, subscribing and liking this video is probably one of the best things you can do for me, since I'm really trying to get bigger on YouTube. So if you help me out, that'd be really great. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.